Guys, I've been storing this exhaust in the back of the warehouse for I don't know how long, since last year, because I've been holding out through the winter months because I didn't want to install this and not be able to go out for a drive. But now the time has finally come. It's beautiful outside. We can get this installed on the car and get some exhaust clips. For those of you who don't know, this car currently has the Remark Bosso axle back installed. It's basically just a muffler delete, and I actually really do like this. It's a very nice, inexpensive option if you're just looking to change up the exhaust tone for something a bit louder and you don't want to spend too much money. But we're gonna swap this out for a full Catback system. If you're interested in exhaust clips for the Bosso, I'll link that video up above. If you guys find yourself doing exhaust work, I highly recommend picking up a pair of exhaust hanger pliers. It makes removing the exhaust so much easier. I don't know why I grabbed a cart for this. This thing is only like 10 pounds. This is the smallest box I've ever seen for a full Catback system, but this is what we're installing today. I know a lot of people, when they see Tomei exhaust on the WRX, STI, or the FRS, it's mainly the Type 80. But I wanted to do something a little bit different that not everybody has ran. So this is the 60S. It's gonna be a little bit more quiet than the Type 80, which I personally think is gonna be a lot better for me. So let's get this open and get this installed on the car, and then we'll see how it looks and sounds. Packed really nice individual pieces here. I think this is the exhaust tip. See the burnt end there. Got some Tomei goodies too. There's even an emblem in there and bunch of stickers and a license plate frame. It also comes with this silencer just in case you think it's too loud. So that's nice. I've got everything out of the box. We're gonna go ahead and unwrap each piece and then we can see what they look like. This thing looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the iconic titanium burnt tip there with the rolled edge, and I don't know how well you can see it, but there's an Expreme TI logo on there. And then the Tomei logo is embossed in there on the muffler. Tomei knows how to make a good looking exhaust. Now we just need to get this thing installed on the car and hopefully it sounds good. I'll just get these springs on, make sure it's all aligned, and we'll get everything torqued down. We've got everything installed on the car. You cannot tell me that this does not look absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with how this looks on the car and how it turned out. The only thing left to do is to lower the car to the ground and start it up for the first time. Now, it is unfortunately too dark out to get exhaust clips because I spent too much time just looking at this thing. So we're just gonna get a cold start today, and then later on this week, I'll go out and do an actual exhaust video so you guys can see exactly how it sounds. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.